Hello there, my new chapter has begun. This chapter is all about pastel color. Now you can realize that I am only not here to give you watercolor or digital art. I will give you all the art media step by step. Just need few times because there is lots of process. Doing work, making video, and after edit and make them visible for you as a lesson. So there is huge steps for me. So I need few more times to give you all of the lessons. So pastel just added into my channel. First of all, I must tell you something about pastel color. There are 5 kinds of pastel we can see. They are soft pastel, pan pastel, hard pastel, pencil pastel and oil pastel. So you can use any of them, but my favorite is oil pastel. There are many kinds of brands available, so I will suggest you to take good one and must be an artist grade. Will give you best support to create awesome artwork. Paper also most important. I am using watercolor 300 GSM cold press paper. You can use any kinds of pastel paper. This paper give you a nice texture. So let's go. So first of all, draw your desired subject. Then use yellow to show super light. Then use shade green, olive green and blend them properly with blending stump. You can use more color after blend them properly. Just remember, as the crayon is so soft and bold, so you can sharp your color, but if you are expert, you don't need to do this. I think this is worst of color. One thing about applying colors, that always apply similar color first, as like I did. You can see I have applied yellow color in several places first to show highlights. So must target which color is going to be more used in your work. Every time after applying colors, I am blending those color with blending stump. So observe my every step. Just target the light area, middle area and the darkest area. So it will give you the best performance when you are applying colors in your work. Like that, those bushes you can see that I have applied first of all yellow, shade green, olive green, then dark blue green, then black, and you can see that they are look separate between them because I just target the tone area like that. First tone, second tone, third tone and fourth tone. First tone is highlight, second tone is middle light, third tone is more dark and fourth is more darker. So like that. So you have to target those specific light and the darkest area. It will help you to create the separation between those colors. For sky, I just use sky blue, then use white and blending them properly. As a work background, you can see I have used blue-green behind those house near the sky. You can see that I have used blue-green first, then I have used white, then blend them properly to make them light. Then I have used gray, then I have used more white and blend them properly so they look like so blurry. So you can see that this is so easy. You have to understand what's your goal and what's your work should look like. So enjoy my work. Thank you everyone to be with me. Your support is more important for me to create more work, to give you more lesson. Hopefully you will support me more to go ahead. See you soon with my next tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.